Yes, on your phone. With ChatGPT and your photo, you can create anything. Have a look at my creations and tell me what you think. You can play with your image or with anyone else's. Be wise. You can even create stories with you as a character. This is free, this is easy, this is the tutorial. Check it out. All you have to do is access ChatGPT, then hit plus. Upload your photo like I did. Then you can write your prompt over here, ask anything, and just hit generate. Let's go on. This is the prompt I wrote. Then it sort of asks me the same to make sure I replied, and then it started. It had a few questions first. The first time it didn't work. The second time, here you go. And all you have to do is just click on it and you can save it or you can share it or select and change something. Well, I wasn't very happy about it. It does look similar, doesn't it? It even had bringing you the best free tools, which I chose. The other... Oh, and then I asked it for a few changes. So the changes were I should be wearing a suit, because a beige suit with high heels. That's what I wrote. It kept the things it had, the elements, and now you have it as you wish. Fantastic, is it? I love it. I've also done other photos. Let's check it out. I decided to ask for a Pixar child princess from my photo, and look at the detail. Even the teeth look similar. See, she's so cute. I'm going to animate her. Okay, and then I asked to be a queen. It's a bit similar, yeah. Well, I look older. I don't like it. And I wanted to become an actress in Hollywood, but I thought I was looking a bit old, so I wanted to change it. Oh, this is what I wanted, except it's not me. But I look nice. This is what you can do with ChatGPT. This is brilliant. Now it's your turn. Go and chat and have some fun with it, because this is so amazing. Chat is awesome, brilliant. Have a go at it. Love it. Thanks so much for watching. If you do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can bring you the best free tools for your new products. Bye bye for now.